How does a Year 9 E1 class come to be in a spot where we gotta know the numerators dropped on top of the vinculum? I think you learn that definition later. And under that is the denominator. 1 week later, we felt absurd talking surds. We simplified, you learned, by collecting like terms. We spread the word. Root 3 on root 9's root 1/3. Then we moved on to financial and our bank account stirred. And so we take the rate times by time ended, take time started to calculate the wage, although overtime was harder. The income tax system, something that you'll be a part of whether you join a corporation or begin an indie startup. Then algebra came and pronumerals reigned. We could do stuff to one side if on the other we did the same. So put your pencil to the paper, connect it to your brain. Get X all by itself and in the test you'll make it rain. The next topic came around, yeah, factorizing was at hand. We saw that if you're multiplying brackets then you should expand. Trig brought us Pythagoras, triangle, sine, cos and tan. You stuck? Do you need a hand? Then draw a diagram. Maths in Mr. Lego's class. You've been in maths in Mr. Lego's class, solving problems and then sketching graphs from period 2 to period 8. If y equals mx plus c, then you see the graph is linear. Really, it's as easy as can be. Plot a point, plot another, then connect them with the line. And if you've labeled your axes, then it's looking mighty fine. X to the 3 is really x times x times x inside. Look up at the power, that's how many times it's multiplied. And if the power's negative, then probably you should divide. And if you know the index laws, you've got this certified. If you're graphing x to the power of 2, then you know what to do. X-intercept means substitute y equals naught. Find the solution, then to sketch it, you betcha. You need to find the turning point, then just connect the dots. You're done, don't get your nose all out of joint. Scanning through numbers, put them in a stem and leaf plot. Probability is good stuff over total stuff we've got. If you're playing multi-hole, then learn this by rote. If you stay, you have a two-thirds chance to get a goat. Maths in Mr. Lego's class. It's so sad that now the year is through. I don't know where the time went, but we also covered measurement. Oh, the volume of a prism's eye. Circumference is pi r times 2. A centimeter cube's a milliliter, but a meter cube's not a liter. In fact, it is 1,000 liters. Your math journey's not finished yet, it's just the seeds we're planting. There's more next year, you bet, just without all my ranting. To learn the tricky formulas, we would resort to chanting. So, Toa, null factor law. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Yeah, that one was hard to fit in. There's a million things you've yet to learn, but just you wait, because learning takes time. Maths in Mr. Lego's class.